Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step that you need to follow is to open Play Store, and here you need to search for the Instagram. And so let me first on my Wi-Fi. Okay, so here you need to search for the Instagram. Okay, and here you can see an option of update. You simply need to update your Instagram. So you can see that my Instagram is up to date. Then you need to go into the settings and go into the app management and go into the app list and search your Instagram like I am doing. Okay, and then you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you complete that, you simply need to go on to the permissions and allow all permissions. Once you've done that, you simply need to log in into your Instagram account, and then your issue will be resolved, as you can see that. So this is the process by which you can fix Instagram problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.